Have you ever watched a coworker fly through Excel and wondered what keys they're using? If you are tired of switching between keyboard and mouse all the time, this video is for you. We already have a sales sheet with totals calculated. Let's turn it into a clean, review-ready report. Summaries, visuals, and polish, all from the keyboard. First, let's quickly format the dollar values. Use arrow keys to move over to the unit price column. Ctrl+Space to select the current column. Hold Shift and press the right arrow to include all dollar columns, stopping before profit margin. Then Ctrl, Shift, and $sign to apply currency format. Next, let's reduce visual noise. Customer names are useful for drill downs, but not something we need visible while reviewing totals or trends. Move left to the first name column. Press Ctrl+Space to select it. Hold Shift, then right arrow to include the last name column. Press Alt, A to the Data tab, G to Group, then G again. You will see a bracket appear above the columns. That means the group is created. Then Alt A, H to collapse it. And when we need the details later, Alt A, J to expand the grouped columns back into view. Now, let's roll all of this transaction data up into monthly sales totals. Select any cell in the dataset. Press Alt, N to open the Insert tab, V for PivotTable, then T from Table or Range. Hit Enter. PivotTable inserted on a new worksheet. By default, the cursor lands on the sheet, but we need to move into the PivotTable Fields pane. Press F6 repeatedly to cycle through the main Excel interface until we land there. Use the tab keys to navigate the field list. On Date, press Space to add it to rows. Arrow down to Total Sales. Press Space to add it to Values. That's our pivot layout. You will notice something out here. A row labeled less than January 1st, 2025. That's coming from the pre-calculated totals in the original data set, which Excel interprets as a date earlier than our actual data. Let's filter it out. F6 to move back to the worksheet. Make sure we are on the row label cell. Press Alt and down arrow to open the filter dropdown. Use Tab key to reach filter list. Arrow key till we find the unwanted entry. Press Space to uncheck it. Then Enter to apply the filter. Now we are looking at real transaction months only. Let's visualize the trend. With the PivotTable active, press Alt and F1 to instantly insert a chart. Excel gives us a bar chart. Works well here since we are comparing total sales across months. This dataset runs through September 2025. And right away we can see seasonality. Sales peak in early spring, dip in early summer, then stabilize. Moving on to label these two sheets. Alt, Home, O for Format, R to rename the tab as Summary. Press Ctrl and Page Down to toggle back to the original sheet. Alt HOR again to rename it as Data. And as a final touch, let's leave a professional trail. Ctrl+N, jump to the bottom of the dataset, type your initials, press Ctrl+semicolon to insert today's date. Then quickly format it to your liking. Alignment, color, whatever fits your style. This tells anyone opening the file exactly when it was finalized and by whom. A small detail that sets pros apart. That's how we finish an Excel report. Formatting, summaries, and visuals, all without reaching for the mouse. We are faster, more accurate, and let's be honest, it looks way cooler. If this keyboard-only workflow helped, like the video, subscribe for the next one, and we will see you there.